Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sandy, and today I am gonna be showing you how to coil braid extension two different ways. So just sit back and just watch this video to the very end. So yeah, I have different rods to coil this, and I'm gonna be making use of this olive oil, especially because it's a hair polisher, and also it's also good for heat. And so you want to apply this first, being the fact that we're going to apply heat to this braid extension. This is just to protect it, more like a heat protectant. So I'm going to be sectioning it into smaller portions like so, and I'm using my flexi rod to just coil that like so. While I'm coiling, I'm just twisting my hands like so, and then that's just basically it. And also you want to make sure to stretch the braid extension before twisting it out with the rods. This is just so that it can have those ends. Yeah, the end result of this tutorial was very much amazing. The coils was everlasting, like so amazing. And don't go anywhere, because I'm going to be showing you the secret that I added to the hot water to make this coils more pronounced, and also what I did just to make sure that the coils is long lasting. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. Do make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you lovelies for sticking through. And if you're new to my channel, do make sure to hit that button right there, the subscribe button, and yeah, just keep on watching. So this is the second method to coiling your braid extension. So with this, I am basically just twisting my hands like so and then coiling it. There are different ways to actually use this particular rod, and also this rod actually comes with a should I say something like a knot, like knot it when you get to the ends. But because I don't have mine, I had to use you can use a rubber band, but I use thread to just secure the ends of it so that it would not lose while I'm dipping it in the hot water. So lovelies, just keep on watching so that you can basically understand how it is done. So I'm going to show you one more time with this particular one how to basically just do it. So just keep on watching, lovelies. So lovelies, I'm going to be showing you the secret that I used for this. I'm sure you guys already know what this is called. It's a Nova hairspray. So this is what I use, basically made my coils last longer, that after it has been coiled. So you want to just take a little portion of the coils and just spray it all over it before dipping it in the hot water. Okay guys, do this before dipping it in the hot water. And then I'm gonna use my olive oil to just dip in the hot water before adding those coils inside the hot water. So you want to leave this for 5 minutes, and then you take it out like so. Just do that, and then allow this to dry on its own. You can see how shiny the coils is already. So that is just basically how I did this. Don't go anywhere so that I can actually see the end result, because trust me lovelies, the result was totally amazing and worth it. Like, I really love the fact that I discovered this secret. Trust me, it's gonna make the coils last longer and very soft. So lovelies, this is how it is looking. So I'm gonna leave it to air dry on its own, and then I am gonna show you how this turned out to look like it was really nice. So lovely, just keep on watching. So yeah, this is how the coils is looking. You can see how it is looking so soft and beautiful. This is this is really nice. Trust me lovelies, you can actually make this like a crochet of it and actually sell. This is totally nice. So I'm gonna show you how the other coils look like, but this coil is totally amazing, so bouncy, like so bouncy. You can actually braid this and then leave the ends to just coil like so. So lovelies, don't go anywhere so that I can see how the other one is looking like. This is just me showing you the fact that all of the coils is the same. That is why I said that while coiling you need to twist your hands like so, and then coil it very well. You can see how it is looking the same as the first one. So let me show you how the second coil is looking like. So you want to be careful with this. If you happen to get it new or you haven't gotten it, just make sure that if you used a thread to secure the ends, you want to be careful. So I am going to be starting from the top part like so, to just bring it out carefully. So you want to do that carefully, and then when you get to the ends, I don't know if I use thread for this. Okay, I didn't use thread. But when you get to the ends, if there's a thread there, you want to make sure that you lose the thread first before taking it out. This is how it's looking like already. Beautiful, so lovely and amazing. If you want to see what I use this in creating, do make sure to hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post another video. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys just watch the video to the end, and that is all. Thank you lovelies for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next post. Bye lovelies.